So we're going to do a cold start here on this bitchin' 31 Model A Roadster pickup.
All right, we're showing 68.
Okay, one down. Set the choke. What's really cool about this build is right now we're in third gear. This has got a 700 R4, so now we just go into overdrive. This thing cruises all day long, really low RPM. It's made for highway cruising. Here, I'm going to put it back down into third. We can accelerate really hard, and then boom, it shifts right into overdrive. Just an awesome chassis, awesome wheel tire combination. The motor and trans is dialed in with the quick change. It's one of the best driving Model A 32s you'll ever be in. Steadfast really nails it. They really know how to build the chassis.